Hi, I'm Belinda Carley, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make an organic aloe vera shower gel. Let me show you the product and how we put it together. So this is the product we're going to be making today. As you can see, it's got a really beautiful appearance and finished product viscosity, and it also foams really well. Now, one of the things that's tricky when you're putting together an organic foaming product is achieving organic compliance. So this formula is fully Cosmos organic compliant if you wanted to seek certification. The other thing that's really difficult about formulating an organic body wash or foaming product is getting a nice viscosity to the finished product without it looking too jelly-like or clumpy. Now, to do this, I'm going to be using a material called Clearfix S. Now, there is a small synthetic moiety in this material, but it means I have a beautiful foaming surfactant product flow without any residual glugginess. So let me show you how to put it together, but just remember, if you want to alter the ingredients in this formula, you may not achieve organic compliance because I've calculated it very carefully to make sure you can take this to a certifier and get it certified organic. Now, one of the first things we need to do is add our organic content. So I have water here. I also have an organic hydrosol, and this is a really clever way of making sure I get a nice aroma to my product without needing any sort of essential oils. I also have organic aloe vera. This is a 200 times concentrate powder. So I'm going to add this to my water and give it a stir. It's really important that you reconstitute your organic aloe vera at the very first step of your formulation to achieve organic compliance. And then I'm going to add my organic hydrosol. I'm then going to set this up ready for stirring. And I'm just going to slurry my Clearfix S into some organic glycerin. Now, I don't need to slurry this material, but it does make adding it easier. Now I can add my Clearfix S easily and watch the gel form. Now, using the Clearfix S means I can add the gum to the water at this early stage before I've added my surfactants. This differs to other types of natural gum agents like xanthan gum, for example, where I need to add it at the end after I've added my surfactants. I can't add my surfactants while I'm high shearing, otherwise I'll end up with too many bubbles. But the Clearfix S can hydrate with the extra water present in the surfactants later, unlike other natural gums which need all available water present first. And I explain this and show it in some other natural surfactant videos. And you can see what a beautiful clear gel forms from the Clearfix S. Next, I can add my surfactants, and I'm using Eversoft UCS here. It's an amino acid based surfactant, so it's got a beautiful soft feel on the skin, which pairs perfectly with the aloe vera aspect of this foaming product. I'm also adding some Tego Soft PC31. This is a fantastic superfatting agent that just adds to the mildness and softness on application. You could add some other organic water-based or glycerin-based extracts here if you want. I'm also adding my preservative, and there's enough fragrance from that hydrosol that I don't need any other essential oils. Now I just stir that all together. And then check and adjust pH. And there I have my beautifully viscous, organic aloe vera body wash. Just remember that when you're formulating organic, you do have strict composition guidelines to adhere to, and I've created this formula with that in mind. Also remember that when you're using another gelling agent, you can't usually add it at the start. You normally need to add your gelling agents at the end after all your surfactants and water have been combined. The Clearfix X is quite unique in that you can add it at the start. You do need high shear, but it will still hydrate further when you add your surfactants and their water component later. So that's how easy it is to put together an organic aloe vera body wash. Remember, you can contact us for the free formula and it is compliant with Cosmos organic certification standards. Please give the video a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!